Look, doing Kegel exercises does not make your penis bigger or smaller. They are simply exercises that help improve muscle control and strength. Unfortunately, many people misunderstand how to use them. In this video, you'll learn 6 effective Kegel exercises that can help you build better control and improve your overall strength. Remember to do these exercises once a day for 30 consecutive days. Stay consistent, and you'll be able to see the results for yourself. Kegel exercises can also help improve endurance and control. Many people in relationships struggle because they feel their timing isn't good enough. That's why it's important to perform the exercises exactly as demonstrated in the video. If you find this video helpful, share it with others who might benefit from it. These exercises are more than just a workout. They're a great way to build strength, confidence, and a more positive mindset. Just remember, practice them every day for 30 days without missing a day. And when the results start showing, you'll be amazed by the difference. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's video. Now, watch the video carefully and follow along.